Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is my favorite alkaline vegan pie. It has no eggs, no cheese, no milk. If you want to see this, let's get straight to it guys. Here it is. For this, I am using green bananas, scallions, sweet peppers, parsley, thyme, garlic, tomatoes, onions, pink Himalayan salt, coconut flour, extra virgin olive oil, mushrooms, and celery sticks. First thing I do is to wash and chop all of the natural seasonings. Once everything is chopped, I set it aside. Then I wash my tomatoes and steam them over low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I use a wooden spoon to crush the tomatoes and allow them to cool and transfer them to the magic bullets and puree them. With the puree, I prepare a tomato sauce using 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of grated garlic, 1 cup of the chopped mixed green seasonings, 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt, the pureed tomatoes, and I combine everything together and allow it to saute over low heat. The next thing I do is to wash and grate my mushrooms. Then I stew these grated mushrooms. For this stew, I use 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, the rest of the chopped green seasonings, 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt, all the grated mushrooms, and I mix everything together and I allow it to stew for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the mushrooms are stewed, I transfer everything to the tomato sauce that I made. Mix everything together and allow it to simmer over low heat. Now I move on to washing, peeling, and cleaning my green bananas. With that done, I move to slicing the green bananas into long pieces and boil them. I add some oil to the water to prevent the bananas from sticking while they cook. When they are fully cooked, I drain out the water and allow the bananas to cool on the running cold tap water. Once my bananas are cooled, I grease my baking pan and I load this baking pan in the same manner as I would have prepared a lasagna. So I am starting off with the mushrooms in tomato sauce as the first layer, and on top of that I add some of the banana slices, and now I prepare a coconut flour paste for binding. For this paste, I add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 grated garlic clove, half cup of coconut flour, some salt to taste, and I gradually stir the mixture while adding water until it becomes smooth and creamy. Now that I have the coconut flour paste, I put some over the banana layer, followed by another layer of the mushrooms in tomato sauce. And on top of that, I add the rest of the boiled green banana slices. To finish up, I add all the rest of the mushrooms in tomato sauce. And as the last layer, I cover it with the rest of the coconut flour paste and I garnish with some natural parsley, and I place it in the oven to bake at a temperature of 350 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. Here it is guys, my favorite alkaline vegan pie. It smells amazing. It is very moist. I can't wait to eat this. If you try this, please leave a comment in the comment section below. To those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and hit the notification bell so you would never have to miss another of my videos. And to those of you who are newly subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and sharing.